Hi guys, this is Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. We're standing on the brand new 2022 Sailfish 220 center console. We just got this boat. Right back here in the transom, you'll see it's equipped with a 200 horsepower Mercury. As well back here, you do have your walk-through transom that will have your reboarding ladder for when you're out anchored up at the sandbar. And as well the Fusion remote that will actually change your stereo without having to go all the way up to the helm. And you also do have a freshwater washdown right here, which is nice. Now on the starboard side here, you do have your live well. And now moving up underneath this boat, you do have a nice fiberglass hardtop and a nice helm chair here that does have flip-up bolsters. So you can either sit, stand and run in the boat, or you can sit down and relax and have your feet up on this nice place, non-skid area for your feet on the helm down here. That also it does have storage underneath as well. It's a great place to put dock lines. At the helm here, you'll have your Mercury gauges here. This will be all your Merc engine data. You have your Fusion stereo unit, and then switching for all your accessories on the boat, trim tabs, and then your Mercury control for your engine. And then you can have us install whatever sort of electronics you might want on this boat. Now up top on this hardtop, also point out you do have some courtesy lighting. You have spreader lights, a couple speakers, some switching for those lights, and then nice storage up in this e-box here. Nice place to keep stuff you want to keep dry and kind of out of the elements on this boat. And walking up now to the bow, also point out this nice acrylic windshield. This is great, keeps a little bit of that wind deflection off you while running the boat. Now up here in the bow, you actually have this movable backrest here for your forward seating, and there will be cushions on here as well. But this is nice. So you can either have it this way, which is good if you're out fishing. You can kind of lean up against it, fight a fish from the bow. If you catch something that you might even have to, especially kind of chase down, and then you can sit in the bow with a nice backrest. Up in the front, you do have a flip-up light and some pop-up cleats, and you have storage under these forward seating here on gas struts. So this is insulated and does drain, so this is a great place for drinks or anything that might be wet storage. You can clean real easily, and also for your fish box. Now this boat too does have a bow table, so that'll actually clip in there. It's not something on the floor that kind of just holds water, it gets dirty. So nice setup there. And then you do have a seat in front of this helm as well, and some more forward spreaders and another courtesy light. So again, guys, this has been Lars Pearson. This has been the brand new 2022 Sailfish 220 center console. If you have a question about this boat or any other boat, give us a call, 609-494-2102. Thanks.